Good day, friends. How's been the day? This is Yinka Oko. Welcome to my channel, Biological and Agricultural Data Analysis. We've been going through some series, and today I'm looking at line plots in base R. Line plots, like I told us, that you have base R, so that the packages that come with the R once you install R. However, there are some specific packages developed by different persons that are specific for various operations. Like for visualization now, ggplot2 is a powerful package specifically for visualization that is read for publication ready plots. But just to have a rough idea of what you are doing, we'll have the base R to just give you basic plot, which may not be as powerful as what we do with ggplot2. Yes, you will still get something. So we are looking at line plots. To plot a line in R, the basic syntax is this: plots, then what you want on your x-axis, what you want on your y-axis, and then any other information. So that is it. Plots x-axis, this is what you should map there. For the y-axis, this is what you should map there. Then any other instruction that you want to give. Now, let's use a data set that is in R. If, for example, you don't have your own, but instead of using this woman, you can use your own data. Use your own data. And I've shown us how we can import our data and start using our data for various analysis. So let's use this data in R. This data gives us what? The weight and the height of some women, the average weight and average height of some women in the US. So let's plot a line graph of this data set. Let the x-axis be for the height and the y-axis should be for the width. Let's have it. You can see on our plot here. You can see our plot here. This is the line graph with our weight on the y-axis and the height on the x-axis. But this is not a fine line graph yet. Look at um, the label here is not okay. Same also with the label here. So we can work on that. So how do we work on that? Let's plot it again. Say plot our x. Put what we want our x to be. Remember the issue of the subset women, then the height there, then our y-axis. We said what our y-axis should be. Then now say the axis now. Say y lab. This y lab is to tell R what should be the label on the y-axis. So we say that should be weight and the unit should be in gram. Then for the x-axis now, we said x-axis should be labeled as what? Height with the unit in centimeter. Then you close the function. Let's see what we have. You can see here that now we have the label here, we have the label there. Okay, let's add title to these plots. How do we add title? How do we add title? To add title, we just include main, main, main. You see, we say plots, that is the function. We open our parentheses here. So we say x equals women $ height. We are subsetting the height. The data set we want to use is women. And what we want to be on the x-axis is the height. Now, for our y-axis, we say the data set is what again? Women. But what we want there is what? The weight. We now say, give us for the label now, to label the y-axis, make sure what you have there is weight. The unit is in gram. For the x-axis, the label should be what? Height. with unit what? Centimeter. Now we now want you to give us a title to be what? Plots of weight against height. Let's see what we have there. You can see it. You can see it now. That the instructions we've given has been carried out. Okay, then lastly, let me add color to this my plot. Let me add color. So plots again, and always just go back to that first plot. Plot x is this, comma, y is this. This is the label for y axis, label for x axis. Then this is the title of my plots. Now the color I want is red. The color I want is red. Then I don't want it to be in dots. Here we have been having dots. I want to connect the line. Then I close my parenthesis. Let's go and see. So there you have it. You have it. I can come here. I can change the color to blue. Let's see it. You have it. That is how to plot a line graph in base R. Thank you for being there. I appreciate you once again. Have a lovely day. Bye.